Oh, welcome back to rounding. Okay. What is it? So once again, it's still keeping the number close to the original number. Why? To use the new rounded number in calculations, which would be faster, and to easier understand the original number. Second example, rounding 59 to the nearest 10 is 60. Now, to use this in practice, what is 2 times 59? Okay, so if you do it 2 times 60, it should give you 120. There we go. Okay, and then you're finally, so we know the answer is close to that, and the answer is 158. So if you round it, you can figure out what your answers are close to and see if you get it correct. Now, rounding. Second method, using the rule. And what is the rule? 5 or higher, you round up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you go up. 4 or lower, you round down. So 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you round down. Now let's round to the nearest 10. If you follow these steps, you'll get it right, and then you won't have to you don't have to write all the steps down, but just pay attention and follow along. Step 1, underline the nearest place value in the question. Step 2, underline the same place value in the number. Step 3, draw a line after that place value. Step 4, circle the number to the right of the line. Step 5, determine if it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Step 6, round up or round down. And then 7, round the answer. Let's take a look at 43. So, look, if you can see, I moved my mouse. I underlined the place value, 10. I underlined the 4 because it is a 10. Next step, draw my line after the 4. Next step, circle the 3. Okay, so now we're on step 5, and we determined that it's a 3. So we round down. So my answer is going to be 40. Now let's take a look at example 2. We have 88. We have underlined the 8 because it's the tens place value. We've already underlined that from example 1. We put the line, circle the second 8, and then now we determine it's an 8 and it's a 5 or higher, so we round up. So my answer is 90. Now let's take a look with a number that has more than 2 digits. So we have this one, 5,238. Same thing, we underline the 3. Why the 3? Because it is the tens value, place value. Okay. Next, we draw the line. Next, we circle the 8. Since 8 is a 5 or higher, we make that green, and we go up. And my answer is 5,240. Okay, now it is your turn. I'm going to give you 3 seconds or so to pause the video. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. If you got them correct, good job. If you did not, don't worry about it. It will come. Practice makes perfect.